Greetings, it's the update man. Welcome to Gasoline Alley again. So here we are, another update. Good to see you all. Jake's bike is Jake's bike, race bike. The gas tracker kind of burnt its clutch out on the Mayday run. It got a bit hot and we were stuck in a bit of traffic and blah blah blah, and the clutch just gave up.
New pods.
So yeah, new pods. We're going to put a new seat on that. That will be ready. Little Honda 350, just with a little bit of exhaust work for a customer, just a little job, which will keep us sort of busy, 10 minutes or so. Owens. That's it really. It's done. He's more than happy with it. And it works. It's such a big petrol tank. You've got to have a big Suzuki badge on it. This is all from our good buddies at SS Paintwork. This is all airbrush. This work again. So he's happy with that. That's that's pretty much ready for an MOT. And a road test, because we're not 100% sure about these front brakes really, what they're going to do. They should stop at some point. How often are you going to see these two bikes in the same workshop? It's not a Captain America replica, it's a Captain America replica, based on a 98 1200 Sportster custom limited edition. So as you can see, everything's back from the chromas. This is all been re-chromed and it's going on for the final build-up. We've got a tank that we're happy with because we can't go for an exact replica because the bike's a bit bigger, so we've gone for a slightly bigger tank. So that will be here next week, and then that will go to SS for Stars and Stripes painting, and that will be getting built up. So we'll keep you updated with that. These are bits that are off Poddy's Softail frame build. Earlier one upside down forks going on this frame that's on the jig, which got a bit of a longer spine on this to take the stretch steady tank, but that's 1200 bandit, soft tail frame, R1 front end. We've got to talk to him about wheels. The Tig will be on that. He's lurking. There he is. Hiding again. Owens. Urban Scrambler. We can unveil this a little bit now because Tig's done the swinging arm. The frame obviously is the frame. It's our frame. It's a new frame, new design. Still a lot to do on this. We've got to work out what seat he wants. We've got an option of 4. Probably lower the seat hoop. Probably sits a little bit high. Once we've lowered the seat hoop, got that in position, we can work out what Hagen shocks. I only use Hagen shocks that we're going to order for that, and then we'll be on getting the wheels ordered, sending the forks away. We're going to get those tricked up, and then Toadfish will probably be on doing a number on the engine. Basically, we're going to kind of strip it, Cerakote the cases, clean the engine up, paint it. I'm hoping he's either going to have McCuney flat sides or CR smooth bore on this, and obviously we'll have an electric box that we'll fabricate. So there's still quite a bit still on it, but it is a new frame. It's the first one, so keep an eye on how this build goes. We've got the bars ordered, and I'm rambling. Time to move on. Still can't unveil Pete's from Cornwall. That's way too exciting. Paddock stands still waiting to be done. We've been that busy, but I reckon they will get done next week. And here we go. The shutter's open. The shutter's open. The toadfishes department. Again, where would you see this collection of bikes in one workshop? The Lethal 4033 Bandit, the Valkyrie, an early R1, Sportster, the Ural sidecar with back together head gaskets, all sorts of things, played around with the car, been put back together very nicely, but didn't really have a lot of gaskets in it. So just as well we ordered a full gasket set, wasn't it? Not from the Ukraine though, because obviously there's issues there at the moment. So this is literally ready for a road test to make sure it's all alright, because the customer's going to take it on the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, which I think is next weekend. So Andy goes out with his wife on the back and the dog in the sidecar with his own goggles. Into the Toad lair, apart from his put together sofa that I'm not sure about. Pansy's obviously still here. Not quite sure what you're going to do on this, are you?
So gonna get it running again.
Again?
Services, usual shit.
Usual. This GSXF 750, which is actually a very nice clean bike, which we're going to, it's all running, cob's good, just a rear shock and fork seals, MOT.
Yeah. And
then we're probably going to sell it for them. So if anybody wants a cheap bike, probably £1,000, which is cheap. So give us a shout. That's pretty much it for this week. Speak to you next week. And don't forget to like and subscribe.